I'm Chief Peter Miller of the Highland Fire District, Highland, New York. We're down here in Ocala doing the final inspection on our HP 100 aerial ladder, tower ladder. Highland, New York is halfway between Albany, New York and New York City on the Hudson River. We have a 33 square mile coverage area. We had a 95-foot tower, E1 tower ladder, and we've moved up to an HP 100. What we have looked at the whole time that we've been working with the aerial ladder is the simplicity of operation, the ease of setup, compartmentation on it is both sides. There's no side stacker or hose bed on this truck. I think it's going to be significantly easier to train people. It's going to be smoother operation. It has auto stow on it to stow the ladder when you're done. The Highland Fire District has been an E1 customer since 1983. We have a 100% E1 fleet, very successful purchase process. Every time we've gone through it with the salespeople, the engineering people, all the way through to the inspection, and everything that we have done with them make it very easy, very complete. Every question gets answered. Been very successful operation every time. The E1 in process gives you an ability to look at the truck as it's being built. Sometimes you catch things that might not be what you thought it was going to be, so it's corrected when you get here to do the final inspection. In this particular vehicle, we had very few issues in the final inspection. Had a number of our people that were here to run through the operations. Truck is very smooth, operates very well. Setup, as usual, is very quick, very successful operation over there with the ladder to make sure that it was what we wanted.